looking at another jet ski and mom is...
I'm in heaven. It was thrill, great experience, and Yashita was riding so fast.
The perfect slice of burrata, the pressed paneer with an amazing view. Enjoy where you are and make use of the amenities that you have. Don't need to do everything under the sun. Literally. Directly straight to the jet ski. The photos ka cost, just 7 photos ka cost is 18,500 INR. I might not have any videos to show you guys from this experience because I don't want to pay 20k just for photos. I mean I could, but if I was doing the, you know, the one that goes up on top, pani niche aa raha hai aapke पैरों से, maybe that. Yes, the E-Wave double. We're gonna do that. Let's go. Is this paradise or what? Currently deciding whether I want to do a flyboard or a jet ski because some are not available. We're currently here, so I need to make my way up to the office, and that's the water sports office. That is basically the hydro water sports. And then from there, they have the same company in the Palm Jumeirah, and from there we go to the beach. We're at the beach has one of my favorite ingredients, which is the burrata. Oh yes, and Harshita Didi gave me. I love gifts. My really sweet cousin Himanshu got me these earrings from Colaba when he was visiting Bombay. Honestly, at this point, I don't even want to be filming for Instagram, and it's okay if I don't have my sunglasses on because, I mean, look at this. I'm heading over. I just had a conversation and a chat with the jet ski people, water sports flyboard, and I'm super excited to be trying out something called the e-foil because he said it was easier than usual. And I think once I garner confidence from the e-foil, it'll be super easy for me to go ahead and actually be able to do the one where you can fly up top. So yeah, super excited. I haven't checked out the beach yet, so we'll do that right now. And as you can see behind the magnificent structure of the Atlantis, I think there's no better property that I've ever experienced, and I truly say this. No, I'm just enamored. I'm totally enamored. I can see the Royal Pool to my left right now, but I still I just need to know if there's anything more I need to be experiencing. That's literally this reminds me of Italy and Capri so much because I was just there and I recorded a whole vlog and I was editing it before coming here, so everything's so fresh in my head. And if you have been watching my Cinque Terre vlogs, you remember there was a beach just like this that we experienced in the afternoon. So let's soak this in. I mean, just look at these views. That's the Aqua Venture Park. Now, honestly, we were going to do it, but then क्यों रहे हम FOMO में और क्यों हम करें सब? Honestly, like just soaking this moment right now with people playing volleyball to my left. What more do you need? You can office for the water sport. It's my first time. Should I try the flight scooter? Mama, let's do this.
I don't know the swimming so well, okay?
Let's go. We're gonna do that.
This one?
Yes, the E-Wave double.
Okay.
Because mom is
Is it
here.
safe?
No?
Because I don't know swim so well. I don't know
Safe.
if she make me.
I will take some nice photo and video will be like this.
Photo का cost अलग होगा अपना
Yeah,
camera.
photo.
So mama got my sunglasses. I don't need a cap because the wind will be flying. सिर्फ 7 फोटो और बड़े वाले packages है. By the way, they're playing tennis, table tennis, pickleball is also available. I'm going to the Seascape restaurant, going to the washroom and then heading directly straight to the jet ski. If I get the confidence, I'll do that and get pictures taken for that. But let me get confident enough on the jet ski first because it's electric, so it shouldn't be a problem. But just my 2 cents. Not spending 20k on just photos, यार. वो तो बोल रहा था phone भी मत लेके जाओ, मम्मा अपना लेके जा रही है. I can't afford to lose this footage, so I cannot give her my Apple. But that looks so good. How was your experience with me driving?
अरे पापा ले लेंगे उसको मत बोलो फोटो का रुपया वो लग जाएगा
फोटो
पड़ा है जाओ तो अभी तुम
पानी पियो overall amazing experience. I wish I had pictures to show you like proper professional ones, but hopefully we're going to do one more activity in the evening. Yo, yeah, we can play tennis as well. Anyways, the point of this conversation was you can do more activities when you come here and plan your stay accordingly. And where are we going? Mom taught me yesterday if anyone is wearing their saddle like that, it means they have old money. That is mom somewhere there enjoying the pool. I think it is one of the best times to
Said you'd be asleep at 3,
relaxation.
but we've been up all night.
I can go in the water just to get a shot of mom swimming.
Charged and think I
There she is, swimming with sunglasses on.
gonna miss your flight.
I love my outfit today as well because it accentuates the waist that I've just created today at Pilates. And I'm looking lovely with a swimsuit on in red.
But San Diego drives me crazy, and I pretend that I don't care. Give me one more minute of talk on me. They'll see us in a movie scene, a silhouette of one leg in your jeans. We're either going down in history or
That
going
is the goal and that is the goal. Fully deep in sleep. Deep in sleep. I'm going to find another fun bed where I can just switch off and relax in front of the sunlight. I'll drink a pressed panini. I just met one of the cutest and the most prettiest worker. I love the freckles on her cheeks. You want to come closer to the camera and show them how cute?
Thank
How
you.
cute.
Thank you so
What's your
much.
name?
Niet. Niet.
Damn.
Niet from Yammer.
Amazing. I'm going to remember that.
Thank you so much.
You're so
Enjoy.
pretty. Hello everyone. Today we are at the beachside property office. This is not what life is and एक एक कदम उसका चल रही है. This is the panini, right?
Yes.
Thank you.
No nurse inside.
Thank you.
Enjoy your
Can
time.
you take our photo together? You can see the hotel right behind me. We're at the beach. We're having a great time because the sun is hitting in the perfect spots, and we are currently eating a caprese panini. As you can see, it has one of my favorite ingredients, which is the burrata. You want to go?
And after doing so much of Pilates and swimming, we are hungry totally. That's good.
Thank you.
I love the burrata. If you know me, you know I love burrata.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
playlists, and I think you're sending clues.
बोलो.
To say, no words to express. I'm in such a wonderful place. No words to express. Just relax in myself. It is amazing. डर लग रहा है अभी तुम्हारा फेस. मैं क्या बोलूं? जिंदगी मिलेगी ना दोबारा, जी भर के जी लो.
मम्मी थोड़ी सी पागल हो गई है. She's asking me to take yet another photo of her. And I think मैंने ही ये आदत उनकी बिगाड़ी है, so I don't get to complain. But I'm wearing my new Balenciaga. I was gonna say handbag, and handbag की तो size नहीं है, ये इतना सा है, but it's just a little bit, but it goes a long way because it has a card. ये भी नहीं हटाया मैंने, but I really love chain bags. कैसे कर रहा था Papa imitating Shubham because वो ऐसे फोटो खींच रहा था. क्या?
स्नो शावर किया क्या? वो स्नो शावर किया है? स्नो शावर
नहीं इतना ठंडा था.
वो किया, उसके बाद सोना, उसके बाद कैरिबियन ट्रॉपिकल रेन. देखा वो 4 साइड से नोजल आता है पानी के, फिर 5 बटन थे शावर.
ऊपर वाला जिससे नहाया था.
You all enjoy. We enjoyed
मैं तो खाली ऊपर वाला से
We
नहाया
enjoyed
और
beach.
स्टीम सोना किया.
because these girls
वो पहले उसमें गया आइस बबल
so
दिमाग
worried
में
about our skin, but the men's are so worried about the skin. They don't want to be.
1,050 लगा मेरा. मैं तो चेक कैश देके आ गया.
ए हमारे सुनो नाम का है, मेरे पास रुपया नहीं था, पानी नहीं खाई थी.
कहाँ जाएंगे खाना?
I just ate food.
अरे क्या?
I just ate a
सैंडविच
paneer.
पनीर
मैं
नहीं
भी
खाई है.
सैंडविच खाया.
उसके लिए क्या गिफ्ट?
लाल मिर्च काली मिर्च अच्छे से मिला दी, फिर देंगे दही को
पापा दही टोस्ट का रेसिपी देख रहे हैं.
नीचे थोड़ा सा इसमें फ्रेश धनिया डाल के ब्रेड को दोनों से डिप करना है.
पापा क्या देख रहे हो अटलांटिस में? दही टोस्ट कैसे बनाते हैं?
इसे सर्व करें गार्निश विद
वो वहाँ क्या बैठा कर रहा है? मेडिटेशन कर रहा है क्या तू?
Outfit number 4 or 5.
This earring got Himanshu from Colaba. And this earring got Harshita Didi from Jungargarh. And this outfit got Appi Didi from London. And this... And
this body from mother.
ऐसे हाँ, ऐसे देखो जो. Looks so good.
Papa's wearing his new shirt that we bought in Dubai.
But really.
मैं अनलाइक ब्लॉग देख रही थी, तब पता चला that Sundays are working in Dubai and Friday is when the weekend actually starts. So today is a holiday for most people in the UAE, which is why you'll probably see a lot of people flocking around that are the most iconic. So the Michelin star restaurant that I was talking about, the underwater restaurant, is in the Palm. So we'll take a shuttle bus like we did yesterday and go. Unlike yesterday, today we're actually dressed right for the Palm Jumeirah as well because it gets really windy at night. We are in the month, we're in Jan. Oh, we're in the month of February. Today is 1st. I didn't even realize but the months changed.
Today is the 31st.
Oh, right. It's fully booked again, so
The main restaurant is a French progressive cuisine. We serve mainly seafood, but we do have beef and lamb as well. It's a 10-course tasting menu.
अच्छा, it's a tasting.
Yes, it's 1,250 dirham per person, excluding drinks.
And is it like this whole area?
Yes, this is the
no need to go to the Dubai fountain. So near the Dubai Mall, you can have one own private one by the fact that we all had visited the aquarium when we were little, and I have pictures to insert for that.